Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning July 25th to the 31st, so the last week of July in my 2022 memory planner. This week I'm using this CaressPress Mystery. I don't remember what month, but it will be in the title. And I paired it with some blue hollow foil from CaressPress. This kit originally came with the matte gold foil, which I used with the Tranquil kit, and I thought that this blue hollow would look much better, so I purchased it. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I really love this kit. Like, it was one of my favorite kits. The colors were amazing. I would have taken out the sand color, but I used it as my Thursday color, so I didn't need to use it that much anyways. I am going to let you guys watch the base to some music and come back for the day by day. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so the thing I marked in the sidebar this week was my cart breaking down. So I used a cart icon from Paper Candy Art. As you can see my readable sticker book on the side that I use to pull stickers. Then noted that it was week 23 of my maternity leave with a sticker from Bella Plan Ella and a script from PMD Stickers. So starting with Monday, I noted that my husband had the day off with a TV icon from the kit and a day off script from the foil bundle. Then noted that my son and husband had some time together with this PMD Stickers character and a daddy son time script from Planner Hannah. My apologies. I then used this Beneath Creation breakfast plate to note that I made us awesome breakfast. Then noted having a hair appointment with this sticker from Cardi Plans and script from the foil bundle. And then noted that my cousin came over and Malik had some time with his auntie with this PMD sticker character and then with my aunt script from Planner Hannah. I noted that Malik was fussy with this crying sticker from Whimsy and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. I used this planner icon and binge watch script from the foil bundle to note a plan with me binge, and then finally I noted watching Love Island with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. On to Tuesday, I noted being tired with a this Mama is Tired sticker from the Honeybee shop. I then noted that my nephew and my son were playing again with this Month of Love sticker and with my cousin's script from Planner Hannah. I used this laptop icon from the foil bundle to note that I had to send some statements for mortgage related stuff. Oh no, this sticker is on the wrong side. I never even noticed that. Then I noticed having a movie night. I don't know what I watched. We had this Fox and Cactus sticker and a movie night script from the foil bundle. I noted being in my feelings with a Olive Studio sticker and script. I then used this Fox and Cactus Frappuccino sticker and a coffee run script from the foil bundle to note getting some Starbucks. I then noted getting some takeout as well with a takeout box sticker from the foil bundle and kits. I overlaid them and a takeout script from the foil bundle. And then finally I noted watching Love Island with the Planner Hannah TV. On to Wednesday, I noted feeling sick with a nauseous gal sticker from Whimsy. I noted being sleepy with the pillow icon from the Honeybee shop and a Sleepy Mama script from Planner Hannah. I noted Malik and his cousin playing again with this Glam Planner sticker and a script from Planner Hannah. I noted having some cuddles with my baby with this Paper Shire sticker and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted the Plan With Me binge with this Olive Studio washi tape sticker. Next, I noted playing with some stickers with this Happy Meal mailer icon from the foil bundle and a play with sticker script from Carly Plans. I noted recording some voiceovers with this microphone sticker from Mr. and Mrs. Mintco along with script from Mr. and Mrs. Mintco. Then noted eating some salad with this sticker from Valley and Tuma. And then I noted filming a Plan With Me with this Whimsy sticker And finally, I noted watching more Love Island with the TV icon from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Thursday, I noted the house finally being quiet with a music note from the kit. I noted recording another voiceover with a microphone icon from Harriet Wright Designs and a voiceover script from, I think it's Ice Cream Joe. Then use a TV or computer screen icon from the Foyer Bundle to know a Plan With Me binge. Then ordered some more takeout, so I used this takeout bag icon from the Foyer Bundle and ordered takeout script from Make Plans. Next, I noted watching Sweet Home Alabama with this movie clapper icon from the Foyer Bundle. I then noted getting some more Starbucks with a Fox and Cactus Frappuccino icon and a Starbucks run script from SBC. I noted having some family playtime with this family sticker from Papershire and a family script from the Foil Bundle and a playtime script from Carly Plants. I then used a TV icon from the kit and the Foil Bundle to note watching Love Island. On to Friday, I noted being tired with another Honeybee shop sticker. I noted cuddling with Malik with a Make Plans sticker and a custom script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted some Plan With Me prep with sticker sheet icon from the Foyer Bundle and a Plan With Me prep script from Planner Hannah. I used this Olive Studio camera icon and a filming day script from Planner Hannah to note filming some videos that I had prepped for. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Plans. Next I noted more playtime with a whimsy sticker and a With My Cousin script from Planner Hannah. I then used this planner face fries icon to note getting some takeout. This is a very takeout heavy week, goodness. Then I used a TV icon from Planner Hannah to note watching more Love Island. On to Saturday, I noted that it was my nephew's birthday with this sweet choir design boy sticker with some balloons from the Foil Bundle. Then I used the happy birthday script from SBC to note that. I then noted that this was also the day that they were returning home. So we used the aeroplane icon from the kit to note that we had to say goodbye because they were travelling that morning. Then used a camera icon from the kit and Foil Bundle to note filming another Plan With Me. Then I noted watching more Heart of Dixie with the TV icon from Planner Hannah. Next I noted getting ready with this maybe makeup, maybe it's nail varnish icon from the Foil Bundle. I noted it was my cousin's daughter's birthday party with this Fox and Cactus girl. I noted that Malik was super fussy the whole time with this crying baby sticker from Beneath's Creation and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. And finally I noted having some snuggle times at home with a Papershire sticker and a snuggle time script from Tilly Journals. On to Sunday. At the top of Sunday, I noted being tired. It was a pillow icon from the Honeybee shop and Tired AF script from Planner Hannah. I then noticed that my husband went to the gym with this weight icon from the kit and Foil Bundle. I noted making us a big breakfast with this Beneath's Creation sticker. And then that he had some driving lessons with a car icon from the Foil Bundle. Next, I noted more watching more Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Then I pulled some stickers, so I used a Mr. and Mrs. Mintco sticker and a pull sticker script from Tilly Journals. Noted giving Malik a bath with this Beneath's Creation sticker and a bath script from the Foil Bundle. This little boy is making so much noise, sorry guys. Then used this Teddy Planned Co sticker to note more cuddles and a snuggle time script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted that this was the day my car broke down as we were going somewhere actually with the Stick With The Plan Co character. I then noted that we had to wait for AA with a alarm clock icon from the Foil Bundle. Then I noted getting some takeout when we got home because I was just over it with this taco sticker from Paper Candy Art. I love that it was blue, it worked perfectly. And noted that Malik was fussy, which I understood, with this crying sticker from Whimsy and a Malik fussy script from Tilly Journals. Then noted that I started to feel a bit unwell and I used this pill bottle sticker from Paper Candy Art. And then noted that because of that I took a COVID test and I used this sticker from Crafty Planner Co, but it was negative. denote taking the test, but the test was negative. Then I used another TV icon from Plan Hannah to note watching Love Island. So that was the end of the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And here I'm going to show you what was left of a kid and a little bit of a wiggle, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.